Hello everyone, today we read a story about named storms and hurricanes. Hurricanes is something is around and it's dark. It can make the house in it. Storm and hurricanes. Emily Bond. Illustrated by Paul Western. Content: storm skies, different weather, cloud skies, wild winds, cold storms, ice storms, electric skies, whirling winds, dry storms, the biggest storm, during the storm, after the storm, tracking storm, strange storms, glossary, websites to visit, index. And now we will start reading this book. First, stormy skies. During the storm, there are thick, dark clouds in the sky. Cloud often in the sky is not on the land. You'll see clouds in the sky, very strong winds and often heavy rain or snow. Sometimes there are thunder and lightning too. Thunder is a big storm. Next, there are some words is than there. This is a storm in Nebraska, USA. It's where in USA. Next, different weather. Storm and other kind of weather happen all over the world. Weather is formed in the air that surrounds the earth. You can see weather from space. This picture shows white, whirling cloud. Oh, there the earth. You see from the space. The gaps between the clouds are near skies. Next, cloudy skies. Storm clouds form when the air is warm and damp. Damp air is filled with very tiny water droplets, so small you can't see them. Oh, you see, that's too small, and you can't see it. It's small. 1. The sunshine, and heats up the is a round of the rain. The sun shines and heats up the air, making the water droplets rise high above the ground. The droplets cool and join together to make clouds. Inside the cloud, the droplets bump together and join to form big long droplets. And in the cloud from bigger droplet is a bigger rain. Soon the droplet of water is so big and heavy that they fall as rain. In some part of the world, so much rain falls at once, the ground floods. This is Kolkata in India. It's rain like this for around 2 months every year. It's somewhere in India, and you see the picture. It's raining very hard. In some parts of Hawaii, USA, in USA, it's raining almost every day. Next, wild wind. All storms come from strong wind. Wind in moving air is happen when hot air is cold air rushes to take its place. You see, the water in the oceans move by wind. Very strong storm winds are called gales. Gales is a very strong wind, and these waves are crashing onto the land during the gales. Land closer to the sea is often flooded. Gales are so strong that it can be difficult for people to stand up, and tiles are blown from roofs, and trees and electricity pylons are knocked over. Huge wave from a sea making it very dangerous for ship and the crew. We go by ship to somewhere, but there is a storm. The waves from sea making it, and I am very scared in the ship. Palm trees can be bent in strong winds so they don't get blown over. Cold storms. Snowstorms happen when the air is very cold. And when the air is cold, we see the snowflakes, water droplets in cloud, freeze into tiny ice crystal called snowflakes. More droplets freeze onto flakes until they are too heavy to stay up. Lots of snowflakes fall, covering the ground is a thick layer of snow. You see, the ground is all covering of snow. It's white. And this is a snowstorm in Washington, D.C., USA. Snow has filled the sky, making it difficult to see anything, and snow is too dark. And you see in the picture, we can't see anything. A snowstorm with very strong winds is called a blizzard. Blizzard is a very strong wind and snowstorm. Ice storm. Small, and this is a circle of ice storm. Small balls of ice called hailstones from when the water droplets blow ground in the storm cloud. First, droplets are blown ground the cloud, where they freeze into hailstones. 2. The hailstones are blown around more. They get covered in a layer of water. The water freezes into a layer ground the hailstones, and they get bigger. And it's like ice. It's like a cube. Eventually, the hailstones are so heavy they fall from the ground. And this is a picture when the hailstone fall in the ground. It's hard, and if the car might be break. And when lots of hailstones fall from a storm cloud, it's called a hailstorm. This giant hailstone fell in Kansas, USA. It is shown that around half its actual size. If you cut a hailstone open, you will see the different frozen layer. Next is electric skies. Thunder and lightning from inside massive storm clouds. And next, we will see how to electric go. How to make electric damp. Warm air reaches high into the sky. As it cools, it turns into a storm cloud. And next, inside the cloud, the wind whirls a mixture of hailstones and rain up and down. The hailstones and rain bang and rub against each other. It makes electricity. And electricity leaps down from the cloud as very hot flash and light. Thunder is sound of air quickly heaving up around the lightning flash. When lightning splits like this, it is called forked lightning. Lightning travels faster than sound, so you always see lightning before you hear thunder. Whirlwind tornadoes are extremely fast spinning wind that from inside storm clouds. In some places, they are called whistles. A tornado's violent wind can destroy houses and farms. They see tornado in USA, and you see the big tornado in USA. It can destroy houses, and a farmland is so big, and we scare a bit. And this is how to make a tornado. First, the air inside the storm cloud slowly starts to spin around and around. It spins fast and it makes a tornado. The air spins faster and faster. Bottom of the cloud starts to grow. Air is sucked up from the ground. It turns into whirling funnel of clouds. As the tornado moves along the ground, it causes serious damage. Tornadoes are called twisters because they have twists at the top from the tree. And this is a dry storm. Dust storms happen in very hot, windy places where there is no rain, such as deserts. The sun bakes the ground, making it very dry. The soil cracks into pieces. Those pieces are blown along the ground, making them break up even more. And when we in the desert, we often see the dry storm. It's a big storm of sand, and we don't like it because it's sand. And soon the loose soil becomes fine dust, and strong winds blow into huge clouds. And this is the picture of dry storm is going to the village. Camel can close the nose and that don't breathe in dust during the dust storm. Camel can live in desert because it can get away from the dry storm. This year, dust from the Afghanistan, the dust had filled the sky, blocking out the sun. There is a picture of the camel in the dry storm. And next storm is the biggest storm. Hurricanes are huge, violent storms with very strong winds and heavy rain. They form seas and can blow onto land. The sun heats most air from over the sea. The moist air reaches very quickly. Then it starts to spin. As it spins, the air creates big, swirling storm clouds. The storm gets bigger and bigger and grows into the hurricane. Hurricane big is made of storm. And this is that hurricane looks like from space. The middle of the storm called ice. And this is of the hurricane look out of the space. In different countries, hurricanes are also known as cyclones, typhoons, and whirly-whirlies. Next, during the storm, different parts of a hurricane produce different types of weather. This is the windy weather. The palm trees in Florida, USA, are being whipped by winds from a hurricane. At the start of the hurricane, big waves of dark cloud from the sky, extremely from strong winds blow, and there is heavy rain, hail, and thunder and lightning. 3. As the eye of the storm passed, overhead is clear and sunny, and there is a picture of when the storm passed. All the house has broken, and the car is broke too, and the cloud is sun. When the eye has moved on, cloud fills the sky. The violent weather starts again. And next, after the storm, we will see when a hurricane strikes on an area, it causes serious damage. It's New Orleans, USA. After Hurricane Katrina in 2005, strong winds destroyed thousands of houses. Next, and hurricane wind create big waves that damage buildings from the shore. Heavy rains make the river flow the banks, flooding large areas of land. Next, crashing storm. Scientists study storms to find out more about what happened. This weather truck has stopped under the storm cloud in Oklahoma, USA. Next, weather satellites in space look for hurricanes forming at sea. Satellites send information about the hurricane to the control room. Computers find out when the hurricane might reach land. Flags are put up in danger areas that are warning on the radio and television. People leave their homes quickly so they can escape the hurricane. Next, strange storms. In the part of the world, stormy weather can do usually things. During the ice storm, the heavy rain falls onto the cold surface and freezes. Its photo was taken after an ice storm in Switzerland. This was and all the cars has filled in ice. It can't move. A tornado's strong winds can pick up fish, frogs, and other animals, small animals. The animals are carried along, then dropped, as if they are raining from the sky. You see, many fish fall from the sky. And next, Glossary. There are some of the words in this book you might not know. The page tells you what they mean. Lightning, a hot flash of electric that jumped down a storm cloud. Thunder, the loud rumbling sound following the lightning flash. Hole, small ball of ice that from inside the storm cloud. Tornado, very fast spinning wind that looked like a funnel of clouds. Dust storm, when dry soil blown into big clouds, blocking out the sun. Hurricane, a massive, violent storm with very strong winds and heavy rain. Weather satellite, a machine in space that desert hurricanes and storming. And this is a picture of the weather satellite is in out of the space, and this is the last page of this book, and you can visit exercise websites to find out more about storms. To visit the website, go to the Usborne Quick Links website as www.usbornequicklinks.com. Read the internet safely, would lie, and type the keyword beginning storms. Websites are regularly reviewed, and the links in Usborne clicking are updated. However, Usborne Publishing is not responsible and does not accept liability for a content or ability of any website other than its own. Website comment that children are species while on the internet. They see whirling clouds of dust called the dust debut is made by extremely fast spinning winds close to the ground like small tornado. This is a picture of the dust devil. And we finished this book. And bye bye. Thanks for watching me. And see you in next episode of Reading Book with Minh.